Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add other courses on Duolingo. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to open the Duolingo app. And now you are in your profile and you can see that now I'm learning French. There is the flag at the top left corner and you have to click on that, and you can see that plus icon to add other courses. And now will appear the list from where you can choose, and by clicking on the more you can see that there are other options to learn, or other options for learning languages. So let's say I want to add like Spanish, and there you can there you have two options. The learning Spanish for the first time, start from scratch. When you do not know anything in Spanish, you have to click on the first option. But if you know some Spanish, you can answer some questions and Duolingo find your level, and you can start from that level. You do not have to start from zero. So I do not know Spanish, and I'm going to click on the first one and continue, and now will appear my first lesson in Spanish. So this is how you can add a new course on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.